Okay, can you hear me? I assume yes. So, okay, let me... Hi, chat. No, you can't hear me. Well, I just saw a comment that said gay dev stream. That's... I don't know if I can come back from that. I'm not gonna lie. I can't hear you. Okay. So, funny thing is, I downloaded the... Okay, so I'm going to be working on a project that I've been working on for a little bit that I'm actually going to make... I will make some content on soon, if I'm not like lazy. But actually, let me get here. Wait, where's my face cam scene? Do I even have one for? Hold on. Give me. Let me just go to. Hold on. Yeah. There's Ben Franklin is here. He's gone now. Hold on. So I just realized a few minutes ago that I didn't have the version of Unity installed that I needed to, so it's installing right now. Hopefully the bitrate isn't like tanking. But this is like, so this is gonna be like a test run of a stream. This is like a social experiment. This is like this is like Timmy Thick, like the Harvard social experiment. You are all part of a social experiment right now, because I have been wanting to do this for a while, but I am not sure if you guys are gonna like it. Like, I'm not sure if this is gonna... Yeah, exactly. This is the Stanford Prison Experiment. So I don't have, like... I thought about maybe I should be playing some music right now, but like I don't have like music queued up. So like I could get it, I guess, but also like if you want to play your own music, like you could also just do that, like, and then you could just listen to me yap. Tim, name a person. You. It's you, Charlie. Okay, so it's download. It's like 90% done downloading. And so I want to see how this goes. I want your feedback. Cheeseburger. First time stream cheeseburger. Okay, that's good. That's good feedback. Can you put on YouTube Shorts while we wait? Yeah, let me pull up my own YouTube Shorts. It's at 97%. It's like compiling and stuff. Do I have Visual Studio on this? Like it should open. I do need to see... Let me see if I can get, like, a display capture. And you guys get to see, like, all... yeah, Unity, you can give me malware, whatever. I don't care. I don't even care. Can we watch that C# guy make a fursuit? Funny you should say that. This is the current progress. This should look like Withered Foxy. That's all you get, by the way, of that right now. I'm not giving you any more. I'm half me, half Foxy. I'm half me, Foxy. I'm trying to get a desktop capture. Hold on. Do you have a GIF of the background of your Gmail music video? No. I mean, people want some, I can make one. I literally just made like a 3D model of like a Gmail perk, and then I just put I put a little like texture on it, and then I just I put it in like a particle system, and I just rendered out a video of that, and then I just like rendered it at a couple different angles. What am I doing? Oh yeah, okay. Do I want display capture? Wait, I already have a display capture? Okay, wait, no, let me just add display capture. Oh, wait, no. So display capture, add existing. Display capture, okay. And then, this one, right? Oh my god, you guys can see everything. Holy shit-a-moly. This needs to be at the bottom. Wait, where did that go? Why did that not... Oh, shit. Why is Alfredo even here? Infotainment figures out OBS stream. No, literally, like, Bird leaked. Yeah, Bird is... Wait, where... Is Bird even here? I low-key want to change... I've been thinking about... Dude, what if I just played Bird? I'm doing it. Hold on. Where's... You guys can get this, like, in the background while I figure out how to get this, display capture. Oh, guys, flashing lights. I will play... You know what? As a treat, I'll play one level. I'll play one level. So... This is not what we're doing for the stream, but this game has like been. The lights are doing what? Okay, I think I'm gonna have to put chat in timeout for that. Oh, also look at this. Oh, dude, I'm so proud. Look at this, and then it does it actually work? Oh, and then it's gone. It's gone forever, and then I'm proud of that. I will play one level of this game. It's kind of loud, low-key. That's fine. This game is basically done. But oh wait, you're not supposed to see that. That's like after you beat. Let's play you. This is a good level. Let's go for a perfect. Let's go for a perfect. I will release this game at like soon. I just have gotten really, like, lazy. But I want to do, like, marketing shit. What is funny mode? Is it on or off? I don't remember if it's on or off. If it's... Well, I'll know if it's on really soon if I die. Why is that blue? Is it because the reflection probe is... Oh, shit. I almost died. Walking in. Dude, this level's so good. I love this level. This is one of the most recent levels that I like worked on. Like this was an entirely different level that I just scrapped from the ground up. Should I get the coin? Wait, oh, I have to. Okay, that's what funny mode does. I'll try one more time. I'll try one more time. While Unity is working. You missed. What did he fast there? Why is it blue, actually? Like, I assume it's capturing, like, Bill in the initial, like, bake of the reflection. Does anyone have any idea what I'm talking about? Or is it, like, this is the reason also I want to, like, try this out, is because I don't know... I don't know how entertaining a game dev stream is gonna be. But we'll find out. And, like, if you guys like it, I'll do it. Because it's basically, like... It's kind of like... Wait, oh shit, I got lock in. Shut the fuck up. Everybody shut the fuck up. Okay, anyway. That's Bird. Let's work on the game that I've been wanting to work on. Baseball roguelike. Now you're like, what is baseball roguelike? Well, I'll show you. Failed. Flappy Bird 2. But yeah, you can wishlist Bird now, by the way. I'm gonna, like, so the whole reason I haven't released it is because I want to market it a little bit more. And by marketing, I mean, like, I want to make a couple TikToks of it and then, like, post one more thing and be like, please buy my game! Also, Tim, are you going to be Pirate Software 2.0? Yes, I am. So, actually, this is my whole plan. My whole master plan is that I'm not actually going to do any game dev, and I'm just going to talk for 2 hours about how I worked at Blizzard. Hold on. No, sorry. Let me do that again.
When I worked at when I worked at Blizzard for 50 years, I learned every single way you can fire an electron through the computer. And I know my code is optimized. I'm also a super optimized hacker. I've hacked I've hacked every world government ever. So yeah, I am the ultimate authority on everything.
Please explain in rock carving.
You know, it's all about the different kind of rock you use, and I don't know every rock's.
That is actually the best impression I've heard. Can you make Clash Royale?
You know, back when I worked at Supercell for 20 years, I was responsible for balancing all the cards. So really, if you don't like a card, you say it's unbalanced. You're really just wrong, actually. Like Mega Knight is not an unbalanced card, not fair. Boss Bandit is not. Boss Bandit is a very balanced card, and you're just bad. You know, if you think a card is broken, you're just bad. That's just how it is. You're just bad. I don't know. I don't know how to say it. Holy fuck! Holy fuck! That hurts. That shit hurts.
Can this thing load? Okay, so anyway, Buccaneer Hardware needs a more voice changer. Sorry, I need to. My voice needs to go lower than that. Okay, so this is a game that I started working on last week. Okay, imagine if it ever loads. Imagine baseball, but it's a roguelike. Whoa. Now, I did my research, okay? And I saw that there's like one... Why is it frozen? It's going. It's you know, it's trying its best. I really should have gone ahead of time and opened the project first, but also, Tim, I sent something to put in the corner for no reason. Let me check my Discord. We are removing a skeleton from the skeletons card and increasing the elixir to 2 so it can be 1 per skeleton. Did you send me something? Or do I need, like, pending? Is it, like, pending message request? I don't see any, Oh! Oh! Unity loaded! Holy schmoly. Holy shit-a-moly. Hold on. Alright, let's... Yeah! Okay. That's not the right scene. Anyway, let's go to the game scene. So, basically... Oh, this nav mesh is old. I don't need this shit anymore. So basically, with this game, wait, how do I do? I normally work on Mac, so I have to like remember how to do everything. Control Alt is that. I don't actually need nav mesh anymore, so I need to. It's baseball stuff. I'm just gonna delete this, and then I also. Oh, you guys get to see my GitHub thing. So, wait, let me save this. I don't know. Okay, well, no content changes found. Then why did you do with VS config? Sure, man, whatever. Anyway, most of my commits, I just type the word swag, and that's it. So that is mostly what I'll be doing. Let me show you the game so far. So basically, imagine like a baseball game, right? But instead of just being a baseball game, it is a roguelike where you like power up shit. And I had this idea last week, and I want to... where is Blueprint? That comes later. I had this idea last week. I started working on it. Holy what? I don't want free aspect. I want 16:9 aspect. There we go. Okay. And then let's like move it here. So let me show you what I have so far. And then I'm just going to like get as much... Hold on, I'm formulating a thought, guys. Hold on. I'm just gonna do as much as I can in like an hour, and then also talk to chat because I'm a pro streamer. I'm a pro streamer. Anyway, let's play. Okay, so you use your mouse. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I wonder. I hope the code will open in Visual Studio, and then I can take you guys in the back end. Like in the back rooms of the code. Oh my god. And then if you guys like this stream, there's a software and game development category on Twitch. Should I switch to that? Maybe I should switch to that. Here, let me just show you how. Okay, so the players have spawned. And then it's going to throw a pitch, and I missed. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, it was a hit. So you can't see the ball, but the ball did go. So let me try and get like a good angle. So there's the ball. And okay, I kind of fucked up that one. And then also this guy doesn't go back, which is you'll start to see this is very early along in the process. Okay, that was a strike. You see it says finished pitch strike right below the fact that it's 66 degrees, partly sunny, and then I missed again because I'm kind of dog shit. So the idea is I missed. Okay, that was a ball though, so it's fine. Why is there two now? So this is the catcher that like ran to grab the ball. So I program whoever's like closest to the thing just runs to get it. Were you trying to do a Germa impression or did he just possess you for a second? He just possessed me for a second. Okay, all right, so that was a great hit. I think, in fact, where's my mouse? I think that was a home run. Where did it go? Holy shit. Wait, what the fuck? Why was that so far? I've actually never hit the... Wait, let me go in the console. What was my error? Okay, so my, like... Okay, that was 87% the max speed. 87? Timotainment is a centered taskbar user confirmed. This will be German baseball stream in 2030. Hit the rings on Saturn. That's... okay, so... Obviously, we got a lot of work to do. And by we, I mean me. I'm just throwing you guys in there to be parasocial. Anyway... Is this Roblox? Yeah, this is Roblox too. This is Hawk Tua podcast. Anyway, we got a lot of work to do. So, what I want to focus on now, like with the next logical step. So we have the players. So the right fielder went a little too far, but that's something we can worry about later. So in terms of baseball, we have the actual layout. We have the throwing the pitches. We have the hitting the ball and stuff. But currently there's no system for innings and outs. So I think that would be a good thing to tackle, because that's a good mix of like programming, and I can do some like UI stuff as well that'll look really dog shit until it's like not dog shit. OMG the Fishmaker Fish has actually inspired me. Well, I may be working on Fish too. I may be, and by maybe I am, but I have like actually a lot of, okay, so here's the thing. If you guys like this stream, I don't have to, work on this game in the future. I will work on like Bird, Fish 2. I can do like some like iridescent work and shit. Fish Tua, exactly. Fish Tua. Roblox could never hold the spinning cube GIF. So I think what I'm gonna do for this stream is I'm gonna hack into the mainframe and show you guys some scripts and shit. So baseball, I got pretty good organization here, I think. Actually, I probably want to do... Well, no, I actually wouldn't be in Baseball Manager, right? Because you'd want to Baseball Manager and then like have a script that's like Baseball UI. All right, let's see if... And then I would put it on the canvas and probably like... Okay, and then it has to recompile the script. Tim, split your face cam into 4 pieces and put one in each corner of the screen. I have like 9 different things. I just like, dude, Evo posture. What does that mean, Quandale Chungus? It's fine, whatever. I'm not mad. Okay, it's loading. I normally work on a Mac, so this is why I'm like, wait, what? Okay. I don't want to sign in. I don't. Shut the fuck up. What do you mean incompatible? Hold on. I don't want GitHub Copilot, bruh. You might need to install extra components. What do I need to install? Let's find out. Average Evo coding. Wait. Okay. Game development with Unity. Yeah, dude, just mine crypto. I don't care. I don't even care. I'm the Joker. Common Visual Studio L. Okay, so... Dude, at worst case, I will just open this shit in a text editor. Like, it's really not that hard. Anyway, while this is installing, I guess I can start making the UI. Which, let's see. So, Canvas, let's create a new thing that's like... Would I call it score? Because it's more just like... It's more just like a general... I don't know what to call it. Like, info? Maybe score is fine. Well, no, because score... Info UI. Sure. And then with that, let's go stretch. So it stretches the canvas so I don't have to do like some funny shit later. And then I could potentially do some other shit. Oh, what was that? It got mad at me. Installation is complete. Okay. Okay. Working on it. The application is not installed. Bro. What the fuck? Let me just close it and open it again. Hold on. Baseball UI. You ruined my humor forever. Thank you. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. Okay, so what do we need? We need using Unity. Does it not like auto tab here? Okay, well, whatever. We can save that. Okay, so we opened Baseball UI. I don't care about what's new. What's the confetti thing? Oh, that's cool. You can send confetti now? That's cool. Can you make 5 Nights at Peter's too? Hi, stream. Wait, I missed a lot of chat. What did I miss? All the fun. It's boring now. You should leave. Okay. Also. In the... Dude, what is up with me today? Oh, I haven't had my kombucha. That's why. Coffee spelled backwards is EFOC. And that's funny. Because I don't give EFOC until I've had my kombucha. Anyway. I don't have music queued up. But if you wanted to in the future, like if I do this again, Unk is tweaking. I am. Tim, what if the Angry Video Game Nerd made a video about Bird and gave it a fuckload of shit out of 10? I would be, kombucha. I'd be sad, but I'd also, look, no publicity is bad publicity. Unless you're Pirate Software. But if you're, otherwise, no publicity is bad publicity. So, like, I would take the publicity. No, I'm not a human reference. I've never played that game, but I've heard it's good. Can we get a level 6-7 in Fish? No. 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 I need Baseball Manager. So this is like, whoa. You guys get to see under the hood. Like, this is programming and shit. Oh, by the way, okay. So this what's the point? Okay. Level 6-1. Hey, there is a level 6-1 in Bird. That's like close enough. There's 6-4. Like Super Mario. Guys, what they made Super Mario 6-7? I think I've actually just lost it. I think I've actually just gone insane. Okay, this is like different. Okay, look at this shit though. Like, look at how beautiful this code is. I'm about to glaze myself like crazy. I learned about funks recently. Why? Oh, no, that's right. Okay. I learned about funks recently. And func is like, it stores a function, which this says action because I used, if there's also, so funcs return a value, actions don't return a value. Did you take your meds today? Yes, I did. But I do have to go to CVS soon to get more. I've been procrastinating. But I did take them today. Whatever you did, I'm gonna add a Deltarune explosion, upload it to Tenor. So a func stores a function like this. So this is a func right here. This is funky unk. So this is like, this spawns in the player, but I didn't want to have to write shit and be like, do all of this for every single, like, I don't know why this shit like is supposed to be green and stuff. But anyway, as long as it works, it doesn't really matter. If he was a funk uncle, he would be called a funk. Yeah, I would. I would be the funk. So this spawns. This is do something to defense. So I can pass through this function to spawn the defense, return the player. So I can set the entire defense, like just here in one function, and that way, because I have to, so like destroy old player. When the bases switch, when the innings switch, I need to kill all the players and then like bring the other team back to life. So I can just do this so easily now that I've like written this stuff, and this is like a player position. So each player has their own like position they can be. Did you hear Funko is probably going out of business? I did. Yeah. I'm proud to say that I own 0 Funko Pops, and I don't think I've maybe I've gotten one as a gift. Actually, I've never bought a Funko Pop for myself or anyone else. A Quandale Chungus redeemed do something funny. Let's see my table looks. Anyway. Oh, okay, so by the way, so if I do this stream again in the future, I could, like, just play music in the background. I could, like, make a playlist of, like, my music and some unreleased shit that I haven't, put, if you guys are interested in that. I don't know. Actually, let me do a /poll. Hold on, /poll. This is not for today. You get no music today because I hate you. But, in the background. Yes! No! That can go for $5 minutes. There, start poll. When's the Timotainment cipher? Like a what do you call it? Like the code, like cryptography? That's what it is. I was thinking cryptid in my head. Can you put on Gavin's Beats in the background? I don't know who Gavin's Beat is, but okay, wow, that was 10 votes for yes and 0 votes for no. Okay, so in the future I will do that. Why am I even here? Oh yeah, okay, so okay, so chat, this is going to be a thought experiment. Like, this is like Dora the Explorer, where I'm going to pretend that we're doing this together, when in reality, it's just me trying to figure out. Okay, so what do we need to keep track of? We need to keep track of the innings, and so that includes the top of the inning and the bottom of the inning. I'm just trying to think what the best way, like, in terms of inning number, I'm thinking of doing something a little controversial I'm just thinking might be the best way to do. I'm thinking of splitting the Can we get Sneaky Snitch? Okay. In my mind, I'm thinking we do public. Does it need to be public though? I don't think it does. Int current half inning. And so what I'm thinking about doing for this is splitting up the innings. Just like when you do something controversial. I'm thinking the best way to do this, because like by the way, for each match, the way this game is gonna work is like I'm gonna do it where you play matches of holy shit, whoever voted no just got fucking killed. Damn. So I'm thinking that since innings are like there's top of the inning, bottom of the inning. It was me. I had to be a contrarian for the bit. And we're only doing 3 innings per game. So the way I've designed this in my head, and by like design I mean just like thought about this, is I don't want you to go to extra innings forever. So it's 3 innings. If the game is tied at the end of the bottom of the 3rd inning, it will go into 1 single more inning for extra innings. And then I'm thinking, if the game's still tied after that, it literally just is a coin flip. Like, there will be a little animation of a coin flipping, whether you win or lose. So that way, because since, like, the shop is going to appear in between each inning, I don't want you to just, like, farm a lower level opponent and get, like, ridiculously powerful. So it's 3 innings. I'm thinking of treating this as half innings, so meaning, like, inning number, I guess, well, it would start at 1. Right? The game would, like, start... Well, I guess I should have, like, a fucking thing that's, like, void start match. And then, like, current half inning equals 1. And then maybe I do this here. This is all, like, most of this is temporary. Just so that, like, I can see it work now. And then I'll go back and... Oh, that's not right. Okay. Tim, have you ever created life in your garage? Not as of now. Entertainment ideas on chapter for game dev stream. Will this line of code work as intended? Yes or no? You shot this. That would be funny. That would be funny. If you want to do that, hey, I'll code a little bit more and we can see if it works. I'm down for that. Okay, so I also actually need I need another. I think it's Ball and Strike Zone does the. Well, no, because it's Baseball Manager. Calculate swing. Where it sends it to the Baseball Manager, right? Ball in play. That's right. So react to hit. Oh, no, that's not it. Finish pitch. Okay, at bat type. So this can be a strike, a ball, a foul, or a whatchamacallit. You need to get on that. I highly recommend growing up messed up little meat creatures down in the basement. Oh, why didn't I think of that? If your Steam name has Tim in the coin flip, it is guaranteed to fail. Why would I like do that when like I could cheat and like make myself always win? It was false. Okay, ball in play, else opponent. Okay, so right. I'm trying to remember what I did for my own code. So basically this says if you hit the ball and it's not a foul ball, start the coroutine of like, hey, let's show that to the player and let's move the ball, like move the camera towards the ball do all that stuff, have a, like, react to that. Crazy straws are just normal straws to a twisted freakazoid like me. Crazy straw. Crazy hamburger. Crazy hamburger, no good. Pitching manager, opponent pitch. Okay, so yeah, this just like redoes it again. If all that. So now what I need to do is I need to figure out the logic for, okay, so in current half inning. So this is going to be all of our, I'm just going to write them like all next to each other. So current strikes, stroke. Whoa, 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 whoa. Different kind of game. Okay. Actually, no, this is better for, normally I would say like you could do it like this. Like you could also do that. But I think just for readability and like for management, I think I'm gonna do it this way. I normally would not do it this way. Water apples is genius. Why didn't I think of that? Do you guys see the new Smiling Friends where they go to the woods and they save Mother Nature? Earth apples. Why is Psycho auto-modded? Current balls. That is what they are called. No funny jokes here. Okay, so, let's think about this now. I probably want a void that's like, okay, so finish pitch, void, add strike, and then like, add ball, and then add foul. So foul will be like if the strikes aren't the stuff. Dude, what are these fucking auto mods? I need to check I haven't checked the auto mod in like a trillion years. I think like I really need to go in and look at like my moderations. Page reset. No. Why are there like dots on the I guess it's decided that this function is special, which you know what it is. That's very true. Okay, so add strike. So current strikes plus, and then we need a void for like void add out, which also needs to like, we'll later want to do the logic for like get the player out, get all this, because yeah. Okay, so current outs plus. And then if current outs is greater than or equal to 3, change sides. So then current strikes plus if and then I'm also going to do void new at bat. So this is like good for saving time. So current strikes equals 0, current balls equals 0. Okay, so current strikes plus if current strikes. And then I'm thinking, like, since this is going to be a roguelike, what I want to do is I want to have certain, like, items that fuck around with how many, like, strikes and balls you can have. And then, like, a bunch of special cases and stuff. This is... Holy shit, it's Sean. It's Sean official. Sean's official. Sean's so official. This is making me want to start to try coding again and then forget about it for another 2 years after I give up in 30 minutes. I will say that Baseball Balatro, like, basically, yeah. Basically. The optimized coder, don't you know that pre-increment one single clock cycle faster than post-increment? No. Hey, is the Albatross ever getting a cameo? He was my favorite character. I don't know. I don't remember what you're talking about. But my memory's pretty bad. When the code is spaghetti? How bikers eat their spaghetti. Okay, it's greater than or equal to 2. Wait, no, 3, right? So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Together, 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, out. So add out. Okay, so current outs plus plus, and then we want to do new at bat. Okay, so we want to do, okay, add out. Okay, so add ball is current balls plus plus if I am also thinking I should eventually add like a thing that's like hit by pitch. It's the Rhythm Heaven guy. This is true. I will be playing Rhythm Heaven Groove when it. Why can I not scroll anymore? When it comes out, I'm very excited for it. Current balls plus plus, and then we're doing something here. If oh shit, wait. Oh yeah, current balls is greater. I do greater than or equal just in case like some really weird thing which shouldn't happen ever, but it's just like it's good practice to say like if it's greater than or equal to 4. My boss. Okay, so if it's greater than 4, oh, then we need a walk. So maybe this should not be add out because that's a little confusing. Honestly, maybe it's okay if I do this because some other shit is gonna have to happen. All right, where are the? Oh, I thought there would be like more. Oh, right, because I haven't called these functions yet. Okay, current strike 0, current balls equals 0, new strike. Current strike should be. Oh yeah, this is where. Okay, out. Current balls equal for walk. So then I'm gonna add like a to do here. To do. Guy on base, but then new at bat is here. Outs, current outs, new at bat, current outs greater than 3, change sides. So then I should just do another void that's like change void, change sides. Change sides. I will be announcing it like I want to record voice lines that are like strike, you're out. Foul ball. Home run. After the next test, you should take a quick Clash Royale break. I couldn't agree more. That sounds awesome. Okay. I'll do that. How are we going to test if this even works? Well, this is like abstract and shit. It's fine. Change side. Right now, I'll just say current half inning plus plus. That way to go to the other side. Not really going to fucking do anything. If current, I don't know what that was. If current strikes is less than 2, strike. Because that's how it works in baseball. Okay, so okay, so now we have to actually call this. So finish pitch. I'm gonna do switch. I'm gonna do a switch statement. Yeah, and your dev could never. Switch at bat type. Case. Is it gonna? Please tell me it's gonna autofill. Okay. It's not. Thanks Windows. Thanks Windows.com. Break. What do we want this to do? Also, I do like tend to double space my code just because it's so much easier for me to read. I know that's like a weird thing, but with this you should do the read little video where you broke. True. What if you multiplied every variable by time.delta time? Very funny. I do that a lot. When you testing the game, I want to see it. This is right soon. I'm like just like writing a bunch of abstract shit right now, which means I gotta lock in. So okay, this is a strike. So we just want to call strike here, and then it's gonna get mad at me. Except it's not, because it's not like properly getting mad at me. But whatever. So strike, ball, foul. And then what we'll do to see if it works for now, since I don't want to like I'll probably not be able to make all the UI. Guys, is there a Timotainment clan in Clash Royale? Yes, there is. There's Timcord clan. You should pay us for giving you a full time. Wait, sorry. By the way, why didn't you read the last part? I I didn't want to read Daddy. So this is the German baseball stream. Everybody, true. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so let's right now. I'm just gonna do some hashtag debug logs to see if this works. Okay, so let's debug.log. Okay, debug. Apparently, it can't fucking autofill anything because it's strike. Ball. Walk. Walk. Okay, and then like out. Okay, that seems like pretty good. To explain what I told levels, we hired this Timotainment chatter. This is what they had to say. All right. Okay, so if this works, okay, we're gonna test if this works. And the way we're gonna test if this works is I'm gonna try to strike out. So I'm gonna try and strike out and see if I can get this shit to say out. And then actually, I want to say outs plus current outs. I almost just typed the number 3. AI power. I just got a cream cheese ad that I'm 80% sure was AI generated. I've been getting ads for like that company that like you can bet on everything. I've been getting like crazy AI generated ads for that. Okay, no, the craziest one was it was like, I don't know if you guys have seen this ad. It was some crypto ad where like a gorilla is getting arrested by the FBI in the forest. It's all AI generated. And because he like didn't pay taxes on his crypto, and then another gorilla is like on the laptop and is like, huh, you should have used whatever the name of the product was. I don't have to pay taxes on my crypto. I was like, what? It was the most insane ad I've ever seen. I've seen this. It's such a crazy, diabolical ad. It's really funny, though. No, this really happened. Let's get a Polymarket bet on if you release a game next year. Ooh, the new flying girl. Okay, I'm striking out. Okay. I'm just clicking. Oh my god, it says strike. Oh my god, it's working so far. Can I see my console, please? There we go. Oh my god, strike again! Holy shit. Okay. So now, next strike, it should say out. Okay. My code works. Now I want to see if I can get some balls. I actually haven't really tested out, because right now I just have fastballs and curveballs, but I have a bunch of like... Okay, that's a strike dough. So I need, I need this guy to be really bad at throwing. He's a coder for an amazing reason. So I have 2 balls right now. That's another ball. What? Can we get a... That was like right on the strike zone. Ball, okay. So this is full count right now. I also have to... Walk! Okay. And now, if I, like, do other stuff... Well, now I'm just going to hit the ball because it's funny. Ball game. You guys know the Paul George Gatorade ball game commercial? Okay, now I'm going to do what Shane told me to do and play a game of Clash Royale. And I'm going to turn the volume up so you guys can hear this. Guys, I just hit 8,000 trophies. Hog Rider! Guys, I have Hog Rider in my opening hand. I'm gonna do Hog Rider! He didn't say the line. Wait, is this guy not here? Is this guy AFK? Oh, there he is. Guys, I just did like 3,000 power damage for free. Because he was AFK. But now he's actually locking in. Tim, can I join your clan? Yeah, it's called Timcord. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm still winning. This is the current board state. I don't know how well you guys can see that. I'm waiting for him to play something. I'm gonna play my witch. Is this guy gonna play anything? What the fuck? This is 4K Clash Royale gameplay. Bro has a Ram Rider, okay. Bro has Ram Rider and, like... Okay, wait, no, his tower isn't gone yet. I'm gonna activate King Tower. I'm gonna activate King Tower with Hog Rider. Watch this. He goes... Hog Rider! Okay, he has... Dude, what is this guy's deck? Alright, now I'm gonna play my Mega Knight. Yay. Okay, this guy has Evo Witch. I have both my Evos. I have Evo Starmie and Evo Inferno Dragon. Okay. He played his Firecracker. Okay, all I need is to, like, not royally fuck up here. Oh, I kind of royally fucked up. I can't even lie. Oh my god, wait. Oh, this is not good. No, don't target you! You stupid-ass, dumbass! What the fuck is wrong with you? Okay, I'm still alive. Wait. Okay, all I have to... His left tower is at 25 health. All I have to do is cycle another fireball and I win the game. This is all I have to do. This is all I have to do. Shit, shit, the Valk! No, 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 no! Jesus Christ! I'm so close, I'm so close, I'm so close! And you know, it was just, there was just never any doubt that I was gonna win that game. There was never any doubt that I was gonna win that game. I have to leave Gunnar Clan to join. Yeah, I'm kind of like the best Clash Royale player ever. So the guy was just AFK the first. I don't know what the fuck that. Like, I would have lost if the guy wasn't AFK at the start of the match. Anyway. Okay, so now, first of all, I need to save the game. Oh, I also need to commit all that. Swag. Okay, so now I want to make some UI. I think I'm going to make some prefabs, actually. Ooh, some prefabs. What are your thoughts on British former Prime Minister Bonar Law? I like Trafalgar Law at the door, like one from One Piece. You guys wouldn't... I just realized, like, we had an inside joke of, like, I'll explain it in a second, but have you ever won a game against Fancy XC? No. Fancy XC is better than me. I think I got close once, but like no, I haven't. You guys know Ghetto Smosh? Like, okay, I need to create empty. Okay, we're gonna do inning in current inning, I guess. And anyway. There's a, I love Ghetto Smosh. Okay, I love Ghetto Smosh too, and I'm so mad that Anthony took it down. I'll never look at Anthony Padilla the same way for what he said for Ghetto Smosh. But then, like, the Perk 30 Disaster video, it's like oh, that's the plug at the door. So there was an inside joke where we just replaced the plug with that's the law at the door, like Trafalgar Law. Doesn't make any sense, but anyway, I just felt like I had to explain that because like it just came out when I said Trafalgar Law, and I feel like I'm not crazy. Like it doesn't make any sense, but like now that you know the context, gas station tweaker. Prefabs. Okay, and then I need to create a prefab or folder, UI, and then we want to do we want to. Oh wait, no. Yeah. So let's do like. Do I want to toggle? No, I don't want to toggle because like I don't want them to actually be able to toggle it. So create empty dot, I guess, is inning dot, like inning dot is like the best thing. I'm going now. Goodbye. Bye. I also do have to go soon. I didn't like plan. I wanted to get a stream out because I felt bad because I kept saying I was going to stream and I didn't. I have to go in a little bit, but not immediately. So I can still like, wait, what the fuck? Why does this need a canvas? But this has a rect transform on it. It does not need a canvas, bro. I don't want... Yeah. Because this is on the thing, no? Where is it? What the fuck? What? Huh? What? Why is it all the way... What the fuck? Okay, well... There we go. Okay. And then let's just use like the default Unity. Oh wait, no. Oh, we can use like this, I guess. Maybe would we like the thick border or the? This might look better if it's a little bit smaller, which means like we want like 75 by 75. Is this going on YouTube, by the way? I assume probably not, but so I'm thinking about that. I kind of want to put it on YouTube. Like I'm thinking about editing it. But yeah, this is a test stream. So if you guys like this, if you guys are enjoying this, I will do it again because I enjoy this. I mean, like it's literally for me, this is killing two birds with one stone because like I can just work. I can work and stream at the same time. Of course, some people like the ultimate voice of reason, Hassan, would say that streaming is actually harder than working a full-time job, which is insane. That anyone would say that. Like dot or check mark. This is fun, I'd say. Good to hear. Assets. I want scripts. I want baseball. I think I just want actually a folder for UI, which means maybe I should, well, that's fine. Yeah. Base, well, is inning dot, that's weird verbiage, but like, that kind of makes sense, because it's like talking about strikes and boshed and I read the word washed when I was trying to say balls. Inning dot. Okay, using... Actually, I don't even need Unity Engine.ui right now because I can literally just go... Normally that autofills, but whatever. Is true. That's fucking sucks. Anyway, public void is true. That's like, get this man a true. Is true equals true. What is this autofill, bruh? No, we don't do that. We do b dot set active. Well, not true. What is this AI autofill that like sucks? I don't like this. I like my Mac. Hell no, streaming is not remotely as hard as design. That's what I'm saying. It's really not that hard. It's not like, I wouldn't say it's easy. Like if you're, what the fuck? But there's levels to something being hard. Like this is on a scale of 1 to 10. This is not very hard. Dot. Okay, so, and then we go like current inning. So we want strikes, and then I'm also gonna make this a prefab, and say this is like. Oh shit! I didn't want me to do that. Let's say it'd be like this. So this is gonna be like panel. Sure, that makes sense. So then in this, what I'm gonna do is make an empty. Call this dots, not Dota 2. It's not even funny, but yeah, so yeah, you can press the go live button. Like I don't do it more just on the sole fact that I'm really lazy. Like that's not. If I had to stream more, like it would not be hard. Horizontal layout group. I want. Well, no, I don't want. Yeah, I want to control the size. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, 75. Right? That's what I want, right? Put this here. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, maybe I want to do grid layout group? Okay. Maybe I don't want to do that. Well, I want to control the... I want to control the size, but that doesn't work. Let's try grid layout group, because grid layout group is my comfort character. And constraint is fixed. Oh wait, fixed row count is 1, and then spacing is like, yeah, this is like better, because then I can control the size here. More be us? No, you can't say that. I'm gonna blow up. Inning dot. Okay, so dots panel, and then that probably also needs a thing, but I'm also gonna make a text object here. That's like, okay, I have to import TMP essentials. My bad. My freaking bad. Oh my god, it's the default text mesh pro font. That looks really default. Let's add an outline to that so I can like see it. Yeah, there we go. Make it bold. So at least it like doesn't look horrible. And then let's see. So we want this to be on the left, which means we want this to go here. He's doing more in Unity in 10 minutes. I can do in Blender in 2 hours. Well, that's, I mean, give yourself some credit because I have been doing this shit, like game dev, for a long time. And I'm like very fast when it comes to Unity specifically. Like I just go. Dots. So grid layout group. Cell size. Okay, start corner. We want pivot to be at 1. We want X to be here. We want the width to be like 300, maybe? Upper left. We want upper right. Okay, well that didn't fucking do anything. Middle right? Question mark? Okay, well this doesn't do anything. I've actually never used that setting before. I don't even know what it is. Okay, let's... If I do this... Okay, so that works. So then the dots will be there. Let's move this up like that. That looks really ugly, but I'll like fix it later. Okay. So then Let's just say, wait, yeah. Well, technically, no, I want to display when you get a third strike because I think it like looks better. Even though like it would only show up for a second. So what are we at here? So like, okay, how does that look? Also, what happened to my text box? Why is it like not here? Wait, why is it not here? What? Huh? 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 Oh, actually, you know what? Maybe this should be like 0. Am I tweaking? What? Where's my text? Okay, well, delete this, I guess. Sometimes I've had this happen like once before, and I don't remember why it does that. Overrides, apply all. Okay, so now okay, that was weird. Tim, why aren't you using Grok AI to make all your models in code? Gork, can you generate me baseball, please? Greetings, greetings! Guys, what if I streamed Overwatch? Would you guys watch an Overwatch stream? I love Overwatch. Tim, use Israel GPT. The glorious. Yes. This code can do nothing wrong. Greetings. Okay, strikes. That looks not the worst, I guess. I can like make it look better later. Wait, I don't want inning dot. I want a new script. What the fuck? That is not how you spell inning dot. Create inning info. We have investigators. Found nothing wrong with the code. Panel. Inning info panel. Okay. And then once this loads, I'm going to go public, or no, not public, not public. Dot, and this is an array. Okay, and then I don't need either of these. Set number. And then, so this will be the number. I don't think there's a reason to, like, store the number anywhere. So, for int, well, this way I can do my funny int for loop. Equals 0, I is less than dot length. What the fuck? Length I plus plus if and then if it's 0, okay, wait, so if there's 0, there should be nothing on the screen, which means number needs to be greater than I. Number is greater than I. Wait, no, I don't even need to do an if here. I need to do holy shit. I need to do dot I dot set. Wait, what did I? Set is true. And then, oh, okay, wait, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do this number, save it, then okay, so inning info panel, So we put it for these, and then in baseball UI, do I even really need a base? I really should split it up into baseball. Oh shit! What did I just do? Either way, I need to do. Okay, I might change this later, but I'm thinking of doing this. So update strikes public void. Okay, so update balls, update outs. Okay, so then we need serialize field. Info panel. Okay, so then we need strikes, balls, outs. Okay. Would it look better if the strike? Wait, should the outs be first? I mean, it doesn't really matter for like visual, I guess for logic. Okay, so update strikes, baseball manager. I think I probably just want to reference baseball UI here. Okay, so, well, do I want to? I mean, I can rewrite this later. It's fine. Normally it autofills on my Mac, which is better. Baseball UI. Okay, so then for strikes, let's go. This is probably not the best way to do this, but okay, so baseball manager, baseball UI, and then strikes dot set number I, and then we just do it for this balls ball game outs. Okay, and then you should add the Gooey Louie minigame. I can't say I know what the Gooey Louie minigame is. You'll have to enlighten me. I know this is bad, but like I really don't want to fix it right now. I mean, it's not bad. It's just probably not as efficient as it could be, but like it doesn't really matter. Okay. Well, maybe I should just have, well, actually, I should just have a function that, I mean, this is like a little bit like not super ideal, but I think it's fine. What I'm gonna do is instead of like having to call this separately for each and like have to keep track of it, every time the UI changes, I'm just gonna update everything because it doesn't like, fuck! I hit control copy. Hold up. Wasn't Gooey Louie that one game with the big head that you pulled boogers out of or whatever? I can't say I ever played that. I can't say I'm familiar. Yeah, so update UI and then sure, autofill. That's not really what I wanted, but you got the spirit. Outs, current outs. Okay, so then update UI, and then copy this so we can like Update UI. Just paste it at everything low key. Well, why don't I just do it at the end of this though? Because isn't that just better? Because then I don't have to like do it on any of these things because it'll happen before. Yeah. That's less to keep track of. Okay. Walk, new app back. Because that'll happen like with the ball and like do the walk, and then the update UI will always happen after the fact. So maybe I'll keep it for out just in case like we do some other stuff with that. Okay, so baseball UI outs, that's it. Number. Okay, so that's all. The logic's all there. Let's play Doggy Doo board game. Let's play evil fucked up game. Why is it mad at me? What? Wait, what? I'm just gonna copy that. And then I'm just gonna delete that one. And then I'm just gonna paste it in here. Whoops. That's when I like moved it over. It got like really mad at me. What the fuck is all this shit? Oh, it's TextMex Pro. Okay. UI. 98 files to main. Sorry, I just got here. Is everything going wrong? It went wrong for a second, but I think it's fixed now. Because now I can go inning info panel. And then 1, 2, 3. Then we can go, hold on. For this one is balls. There we go. We get one more here because balls, there's one more. Okay. We call this one balls. And then we'll have this one like lower. So this will be outs. So that way it's like, it's a nice like progression. So outs will be first, and strikes will be like, what's minus 100? Minus 125 maybe? Minus 250. Okay, I mean like that, we can work with that for now. Okay, so then pitching manager. So then first I need info UI. Let's go base. Should baseball UI be here? Yeah, let's just rename that so it's like less confusing. Baseball UI, inning info panel. So outs, balls, strikes, save. Go here to baseball manager, get the UI from here, get that. Then when the inning starts, it updates the UI, right? Update UI. Wait, no, that's not inning start. Okay, update UI. Okay, let's see. I want you to die. No, don't do that. Okay, let's see. Wait, why is it mad at me? I'm just gonna press the button and see what happens. All right, let's see if that works. Whew. Oh shit, 6. Wait, I have to go. Okay, that also just didn't. Oh, there we go. Why didn't that open on the fucking bird? Oh wait, I know why. Because I didn't call it at. Let's do new at bat. There we go. So now when it starts, so watch. You're gonna watch the magic happen, Mr. Boner. Sorry I'm late. I was too busy not being a nerd. Lol. Huh? What? Listen. I might be a nerd, but I'm really smart. Sorry, that was really. I just need to like not talk. Okay. Oh no, I got a strike, and you can see it on the top. And now he's gonna throw a ball. I hope. So it demonstrates. That's not a... Okay, wait. Well, I hit the ball. And it doesn't change the out, like, when you hit it, but, like, just pretend that was something else. I don't know. Throw a ball. Throw a ball, good sir. One ball. Should it be the other way? Should it, like, go in the, like... It should totally go from right to left, right? I hit that. Oh, that's like a nice hit. Okay, I want to get an out. Timotainment dubbed. Today we're gonna be making a video game from scratch. Oh gosh. What am I doing? Okay. That was a strike. So now I'm out. And it refreshed. Timotainment in Toronto. What does that mean? Like what's up with Toronto? Start corner, upper left, upper right. Okay, so is that? Oh, yeah. Okay, that should have fixed it, right? Let's find out. Let's find out. Now we got the oh yeah, the baseball stream, the prophesized stream that I've definitely talked about. Oh wait, I shouldn't have hit that. I should have like let that just happen. Yeah, the UI is pretty not good right now, but like it'll look better eventually once I polish it. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. So we have a ball. So it's working. It is working, which is nice to see. And I hit the ball and I got to fix the camera angle cuz that like really sucks. And also this needs to go away when you hit it and stuff like that. But yeah, I think that is a good point to stop. I have to leave like for dinner now. Yeah, the catcher's just chilling there. UI stands for user interface. It does absolutely do that. But yeah, thank you for coming out and watching. I do want to do this again. I think it seemed like people were having fun. I had fun. I'll like do it again, and maybe I'll like have music next time. I wonder what's for dinner. All right, I'll see you guys later. On the next time I stream, which will hopefully not be in a month. I'll try.